Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to process a list of items only to realize you need to omit them one at a time? It can be a real headache, right? If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're diving into how to omit items from a Flowable in a seamless way. I totally get it. You're working with a Flowable that returns a list of items, and you want to process each item individually. This is a common scenario for many developers, and it can be quite frustrating when you don't know the right approach. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, what operator will omit each list item sequentially from a Flowable of realm results? If you've ever faced this challenge, you're in the right place to find a solution. So what's the issue here? When working with Flowables and realm results, you might find that you need to manipulate each item in the list. The challenge is figuring out how to omit those items one at a time so you can apply operations like mapping. Let's break this down. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a powerful operator at the end that will make this process a breeze. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To omit each item from a Flowable of realm results, the user can utilize the flat map operator. This operator allows us to transform each item emitted by the Flowable into another Flowable. Next, the user should implement the flat map operator to convert the realm results into individual items. This can be done by mapping each item to a Flowable that emits it. After that, the user can chain the map operator to perform operations on each emitted item. This allows for further transformations or actions on the individual MyClass objects. Finally, the user can subscribe to the Flowable to start receiving the emitted items. This is where the processing of each item will take place. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of reactive programming has roots in functional programming? It's fascinating how these ideas have evolved to help us manage asynchronous data streams more effectively. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user provides two approaches, depending on whether you want to keep the results as a list or omit each item individually. If you prefer a Flowable of lists, they suggest using concat map with from iterable and then mapping your items before converting back to a list. If you want to omit each MyClass item sequentially, the user recommends using concat map directly with from iterable. This will allow you to map each item individually while maintaining the order. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always consider using operators like concat map when dealing with collections in reactive programming. It can save you a lot of time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You now know how to omit items one at a time from a Flowable. Remember, mastering these operators can greatly enhance your coding efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.